Hey guys, alrighty then here, and I have a Dyson Animal Plus. This is the Animal Plus right here, and I've got this new battery that I bought on the internet. It's 6,000 milliamp. The original battery is about 5,000 milliamps. It's a 6-cell, 2,800 milliamps. So this is a 2,800. The original is a 2,800 milliamp. The new one is a 6,000 milliamp. That means it's gonna last a lot longer than this one does. So this one just kind of stopped working after a while as they do. So we're gonna replace it. So you take off this screw here, which is a Phillips screw. Okay, super easy. Let's put that down here. Take off that Phillips screw. There it is. That's one Phillips screw. Then we're gonna turn this over upside down, and we're gonna take these two out. That's one. You can see it there. That's two. And look, it just slips right out. That's it. It slips right out. 3 little screws. Okay, that's the old one. Here's the new one. Let's compare. They are slightly different, but the hole is still the same. This little stock is just a little bit different, but otherwise I think it's gonna fit. So we're gonna do the same here. We're gonna take this, stick it in, and it goes in just like that. Now we go ahead and put the 2 screws back. Whoops. Uh-oh. Where'd you go? Oh no, I lost it. Wow. That thing just like... Okay, found it. So, I'm just gonna stick it in the hole like that first. Just like this, and then go ahead and insert that part in here. And get that to line up just like that. And now, just screw it in. It doesn't really get much easier than that. Okay, those are in, that's kind of coming out. And then we put the last one right in here. Now it's not charged. I haven't charged it yet. But that's how you replace the battery. Let's see if it works. And it does. See, it's got just a little bit of charge. But that just it works. Excellent. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Real quick, 5-minute replacement. It also came with an extra filter. It also came with an extra filter. Boom, there it is. There's the old one. Ooh-wee. It also comes with this filter. Oh, it comes here. That filter goes right there. Check that out. I didn't even know it had a filter up there. We're learning stuff. And both of these came with the battery. Boom, there it is, done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.